Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I'm going to show you in this video why we could be seeing a 30+% pump here within the month of May. I'll show it to you using structures, past history of price data, everything, every prediction we make on this channel, guys, it's going to be realistic when you see a thumbnail. So make sure you guys know that, okay? We're going to go over the emotional index, the long versus short trades today on Ethereum, the market cap strength, do not miss that, trades in favor, well and institutional smart money, what they're doing right now, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade setup today. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in here. We are currently sitting at 122 wins with 0 losses. We have never lost a crypto trade. And even in a bear market, we hold one of the healthiest accounts we can find on all of YouTube or anywhere right now. We're currently at 122,500 out of 150,000. I'll show you guys how to do that in this video. You guys ready? Let's go. So, Ethereum. Here's what we need to start with. We're going to do a top-down analysis for the indicators. This morning, retail traders are looking at their main indicators here. They're looking at the RSI, stochastic MACD, and then they're going to be shifting over to their major moving averages. It's the 50, the 100, and the 200. We are starting to see out of these 6, we have 4 of these that are very bullish right now. Okay, this is a positive sign for retail traders to be looking to put money into the market. All right, let's take that into account. Okay, another bullish sign we have is this is the most bullish breakout, the most bullish sign we've had within a month. Today is May 4th. If you guys come back here to the high over here, this is April 4th. So within this month time period, from here to here, a breakout of a descending resistance is the most bullish sign we could possibly get. This is what we've been waiting for to be the first sign that we're going to start seeing a bull market reversal for Ethereum. Watch this. If you guys are looking at this, I want to show you guys the descending wedge followed by an ascending channel. Come over here to your trend line. Look at this right here. We're going to pull this out. What we need to look at now is where is this price going to target? Well, what's happened in the past? If you look at this setup, you take a trend line here and you follow this over here and you follow this all the way down. When this ended up breaking, it basically was trying to target structure high. Now, we're going to go higher than structure high on this because we have already formed a 1-2 touch, creating an ascending channel. Here's why I'm telling you guys in the beginning of the video about a 30% move here. If you come out here and look at a time frame, we're going to do a time frame and a date. From this moment right here to structure high is about 25%. But the ascending resistance with time put into the market to actually give us momentum to get there, we're looking at probably around 32 to 33% pump that we could see here within this month of May. Now, why this month of May? Come back over here and let's take a look at the actual, let's call this the momentum of increase in price action. How long did it take us to move this far? It took us about 20 days. Okay, so we're sitting at the 4th. If we took the exact same amount of time, it'd be pushing us to the 24th of May. This is why I do believe we could be seeing by the end of this month, by the end of May, about I would say 25 to structure high to 32% increase in Ethereum. And this is why you guys don't sell your positions, and I haven't sold a single thing. I'm telling you guys, hold your positions. All right, let's give ourselves some more data to work with here. Price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take this off for just 1 second with the price. I want to show you guys some with what's happening with the well money flow right now. What you guys are seeing is the well money flow is very high up here, okay? This is somewhat of a bearish sign, so I need you guys to pay attention here. These indicators are in the description. Snag them. It's the cheapest you'll ever be able to grab them, okay? They're in the description, okay? As this is up here, this high, you need to come back here and look to see what has happened when whales have pushed the prices up this high in the past. We can see that the market likes to move back down, okay? So you need to understand right now that right now we're seeing a lot of whales buying, but there is going to be a drop back down here. What will most likely happen, what I'm watching for, I'm just going to circle just one more so I can keep going with the analysis here. What I'm watching for is what's called a classic break and retest pattern. We will most likely see a break. We will see a retest back down to actually give the whales enough time to sell into the market here. And then they're going to wait for people to start shorting. And then they're going to come back and they're going to buy this, and this will be heading back up here. What's nice about this is that the trend exhaustion, which shows you guys the structures, The structure of crypto right now, since it's in this range here, this has a lot of room to move up here. This is another very bullish sign. So if you guys are scalping with our literal 100% win rate strategy, what you guys need to be watching for on the next entry is trend exhaustion to be down here in the bottom red section. Well money flow to be moving down. That is the entry you guys are looking for 3 to 4%. Okay, we have a bigger strategy I'll show you by the end of this video that we take far more than 3 to 4%, about 3 times that on every trade. But watch this, okay? Want to make sure you guys are aware of that. This is a bearish sign here, but this is bullish. So what we're waiting for is the sinking up of both of these to be low, this to be low again. That is when we're looking for the next pump back up in Ethereum, very strong. Okay, let's take a look at this real quick. Ethereum, the emotional index is in the neutral section this morning. Okay, we're starting to move out of anxious and fearfulness, and the market's starting to get a little excited again. This is another reason why majority of retail traders will probably start dumping more money back in, and people who are in USDT and USDC will most likely start putting their money back in. We are finally seeing short trades decrease over here on the blockchain for Bitfinex. Okay, it has been so long that short trades have increased, and finally we see long trades staying the same and just doing a slight decline here, but short trades decreasing. I think this is because they don't want to get trapped right here. A 1-2 touch on a trend line, that's great. The third touch is where you see the greatest amount of movement back down, because it's after a 1-2 touch you can create a line. Watch for a lot of shorting power to come into the market right around 3,750. I know I'm projecting into the future here, but watch that. Over here, we can see what's happening is people are trying to come out here and short this. And as this price goes up here, guys, these people who are over here understand this behind the scenes. Everyone who's been going short over here right now, yes, they're in some profit, but a lot of people haven't sold, which we can see here. As the price starts going back up, those short trades are going to be in losses, and they're going to have to close them if this goes back up here, because they're going to hit their stop losses. And guess what they're going to do? They're going to switch over to long trades as well, with people already going long, as well as people doing buy stop orders, trading the breakout here. And that is how we have the majority of the market going in the same direction, and that is how breakouts happen. And we'll be watching that on this channel here. The market cap strength is very bullish. Watch this. In this same duration, I want you guys to just look at this right here. What happened here was we had a high and a lower high, okay? Price action moving down. In the same duration, this did not pass this high, but the market cap blew up. Literally, guys, I'm talking hundreds of millions of dollars just within the last 3 days here has come into Ethereum. I get this question a lot. Travis, I think the market's just going to crash back down. If it is, which I personally think we're due for a reversal here. If it is, then that means there's hundreds of millions. I'm talking hedge funds, billion-dollar guys. They're going to be losing money on this as well. I don't necessarily think this is going to see a huge crash back down from here. I think we're getting into this moment right now where we're going to start to see a reversal in crypto, because we're seeing the market cap explode over here. This is moving up while price action is moving down. It means Wells institutions are buying this move here, and I think people are now finally looking at, oh my gosh, we could be targeting 750, let's be conservative here, about 3,750 for a pump here. And that is what I'm looking for next in the crypto market. Okay, this is pretty exciting, guys. Trades in favor. Let me show you this, and I'll show you guys get into a trade setup here. Trades in favor right now, sitting in a good long trade. So watch the long trade I'm going to show you guys. Wells Institutional Smart Money. These guys, this is yesterday, and all these metrics will update today, this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's in exactly 1 hour and 10 minutes. So come back here and watch this. What you guys are going to see here most likely this morning is we may see a little bit, I don't know what it looks like, but we may see a little bit of bars forming to the downside, looking for potential shorts in the market. But I don't believe this is going to see a really big move down like this, like a big orange bar that they're going to short really aggressively. I think we'll probably see something kind of like this in the market, or it may be very close to the same. What I've been seeing here is that Wells have been buying, guys. They bought the dip on this move right here. They bought the dip right here. They're buying these dips as we move back down, because guess what, guys? They're not caring if they got in here, if they got in here, or if they got in here. What they're looking at is the overall picture of what is crypto going to be doing, and they're looking for the move up here. They're looking for the long term. So no one's going to care if they got into any positions right here. That's what I'm really trying to give you guys and have you focus on these videos now, is that you're like, well, I didn't get into the best position. It's not about getting into the best position all the time. It's just about, a lot of times, just getting in and being patient for the move up. Because now we're looking for a target of about 32, 33%. And if you're just in, that's where you're going to make the money. Support and resistance prices, this is where I'm looking at too, that 3,500, which is structure high on the chart. So 3,500 here is at structure high. But if you're looking at the ascending resistance, that is going to put us at about a 32 to 33% up here. So basically, if we want to just round this to 33, that's probably pretty close to where we're going to end up moving, because it's going to need to take some time, and it may take even just a little bit longer here, pushing us out to about, I would say 12 days here is still well within the month of May. So we could probably be looking at about a 32 to 33% pump, okay? And this is absolutely doable, because here's the thing. Once this moves here, the target that everyone's going to be watching for is one of the most simple ascending resistance lines to draw. If you are an amateur trader or if you're a pro trader, everyone's going to be looking at this line right there, and that's going to be the target they're looking for. So with that said, watch to take some profits. I will be taking profits up here, guys, if we get up there. Hands down, because we'll be in the profit on this trade. Okay, dollar cost average entries. If you guys put like $1,000 into each of these green lines, great job. You're doing fantastic. Let me show you guys now. I want to keep this private for our members. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now. This is how we have never lost a single trade with this strategy I'm about to show you. What I'm about to show you, it does have a scalping strategy that honestly, we get so much flack about this. Just watch the video before you judge it. I will show you guys how you literally, it's going to be like it's going to be extremely hard to ever lose a trade again in crypto if you just use this scalping strategy. Okay, we've done this and we've literally gone 122 wins in a row. Let me show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin this morning for the setup. Go all the way down to the bottom, and this is what we're doing for our risk management to help secure these wins. This is the Bitcoin chart. What you guys are going to see is you're going to see these charts here. You're going to have a sell limit and you're going to have 4 buy limits right here. You're going to choose the amount that you want to enter this trade with. And again, we're talking about Ethereum, and this is on every single one of our coins, so you can watch them every morning. Say you have $1,000. Split that into 4 equal portions, so it's $250. Place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices here. You can see them just right here. They're so clear. Right there, right here, and right here. Okay? Put it on a black background, almost a little bit better to see than the neon yellow we had before. Okay? What you guys do is once those are hit in the exchange, set a sell limit up here for 100% exit. This is in case we just explode up here and blow up. I understand this is high. I purposely set this so ridiculously high that it should not get hit. It's just in case of those scenarios where I've literally been in a coin. It was the graph where it shot up over 60% overnight. 60% overnight. And I'm like, man, I really wish I had some money in that market. It was when it was really low. So it didn't take that much to move that high. But it was last year in the beginning. It's when the market was going crazy. But that's up there. Once your first buy limit is hit, follow me. Once your first buy limit is hit, everything is in the exchange. Just follow me in Telegram, guys. I'm going to be calling all of the exits. And every time we exit a trade, I'll be calling all the entries as well so you guys can get back in with me. Now, you guys need this. You need our membership. This is the cheapest membership you guys will be paying to access all this. It's just $95 a month. All of our metrics to track all of the whales and see what they're doing, and the institutions to stay on their side. You'll get that for all these coins. The Telegram channel is going to give you all the entries and all the exits that I'm calling out, every single one of them. If you just want to copy me, that's what you can do. The masterclasses that I've literally taught hundreds of millions and billion-dollar hedge funds, I have taught this to them. I actually know one of my friends personally is part of a $1 billion hedge fund. He's taking this course right now and he's watching the master classes. It's awesome. I'm able to help them through this. Okay. I'm not going to name drop or anything like that, but they're watching that. Okay. Community chat. You guys can be able to chat with all of our members and just chat with other people in the community about things that you see, questions that you have, people looking at all these awesome chart patterns. It is pretty awesome what people are able to do in here. We're all doing this as a community together. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to be going live every single month with you guys on a Zoom call to just see what questions you have, answer your questions, and teach you guys in that call. Guys, I strongly believe this is the best membership you will ever have for crypto. Okay, snag that today. Last but not least, the indicators. We are running a May sale. Guys, we will never have our indicators lower than this price. Click this bundle pack right here, enter coupon code. You have to enter coupon code, save money right now. For the month of May, you guys have, I think it's like 27 days left, I believe. You'll be getting all of our indicators, and you'll be getting them for 84% off. If you want to get these 3, the ones that we use every day on our charts that you saw on TradingView, use coupon code SAVEMONEY again, but you'll get 40% off these three right here. Use Save Money, you'll get 60% off the rest of our 6 here. Use the bundle pack, you'll get 84% off all of them. So you're basically going to save yourself another 44% on the ones that you guys really need. That scalping strategy I showed you guys that has not lost, mark my words guys, it has not lost. Watch for yourself before you judge it, okay? Watch it. You need these 2 indicators here. The bundle pack is cheaper than buying these 3 indicators. Okay, that is what you guys want to do. It is a one-time purchase. You get the indicators for life, and you get the source codes to the indicators, and it comes with a tutorial video. It takes like less than 30 seconds to add them to your TradingView charts, and you'll have them forever. Don't pass this up, guys. We're literally ticking down every single day as the days go by. I'm going to be upping the price at the end of May. May 31st. At 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time is the exact time I'm going to be upping this, and the sell's going to be going away, okay? So snag it before the end of the month. All right, guys, I love you. Have an amazing day. This is getting really exciting because we're in this trade here. I'll show this to you real quick if you guys want to stick around for this because I don't want to make this video super long. This is the exact trade that I'm personally in over here with. Give you guys an example of how much money we've got over here. It's not a ton because I have a lot of money in other coins. But for Ethereum, we've got, where to go? I'm sorry. I know it's staring me right in front of the face. About $7,600 in this trade right here. Our break even on this trade, you guys can see, is $3,383. So as it starts moving up, guys, if we target this up here, watch for me in Telegram. I'm absolutely going to call an exit for everybody. We're going to exit this, and then we're going to get back in using incredible risk management in case this thing blows up, and we're just going to rinse and repeat over and over. I'm going to try to target, guys, and this could be happening very fast. We're going to try to target 130 wins in the month of May, and that could happen because Sheeb is very close to be winning. Luna is going to be our next winning trade as well. And we have some others in here that can be starting to pop off here if we start moving back up. And now we are seeing the bullish signs of this taking off. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators in the description because they're on a ridiculous sell right now. Make sure you guys have our membership. That's going to be able to give you guys access to all the whale metrics over there. And I will see you guys in the next video. But watch for this market to get bullish because these are some bullish times that we're seeing right now. Possibly 32 to 33% pump in the month of May. That's what we're watching for. I love you guys. God bless you. All the links are in the description. I put them as the first pinned comment on this YouTube video, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye-bye.